And next to new features of Python 3, it is the exchange function in order to count the number of values in range. So range function returns the list and it has items. So exchange returns objects that will generate operations on them, perform operations on those items. And next in same function, what's new in Python 3? The same function exchange function in Python 3. How can it? Python 3 is a different way. Here exchange function removed. In exchange function it also returns some value. So the reaction renamed as range function. And next raise exception. Exception means error. How can we face the errors while writing the program code? In Python 2 it accepts both syntaxes. In Python 3 we use some method called syntax input output method. By using that we can handle exceptions, like here the syntax. First one is the in Python 2 syntax follows like this. First one is the syntax is like this. Raise is the keyword and the input output exception is the way to raise the exception, and next here fire is the message going to display on the monitor screen. And next how can we raise the exception in Python 3? That is the syntax follows here. In Python 3 syntax is like this. Raise is the keyword and the input output exception, and next here the output here it is enclosed within parentheses is like this. Thank you.